Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to the online class. So today we are here with a new poem that is of Unit 3. This is from your Marigold book, okay? And so today we'll see this new poem, My Shadow, okay? So have you ever played with your shadow? Have you ever played with your shadow? You know how shadow is formed? Shadow is formed when in the path of light we are just putting some object, opaque object, right? And that's why a shadow is formed. The object will it the shadow of an object is just as a light, means it is just same as the object. Whether it is your, then it will be just like your shadow. It will be just alike like you. The shadow will be formed. Okay, so now we'll read this poem. Will make yourself understand that what this poem meant to be. Okay, do you know whenever there is light, someone follows you? Whenever we are when we are walking in afternoon, morning, or in evening, when the sunlight is there, you know someone is following you from behind. Have you ever noticed that? Have you ever wondered who it is? Yeah, it is your shadow. Now, here the poem is read and enjoy. I will read and make yourself understand. Okay. So, here it is, the poem. Now I will read the poem and please be concentrated to the words. Okay. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. So, what is happening in this stanza? What the poet is telling about? In this stanza, a boy who is surprised with his shadow, he is very fascinated with his shadow, and he likes to observe it. He likes to observe it. Means whenever we are watching, when we see our shadow, we used to play with that, right? We are making some kinds of art to the art also on a wall or everywhere, means anywhere when we are finding our shadow we used to play with that. In this poem, the boy who is fascinated with his shadow, he tells that a little shadow is always present with him. A little shadow is always present with him wherever he is going. The boy knows that there is more than he can do with the shadow that just observing it. He can't do anything with that shadow. What he can do, he can only observe it. It is just like him from the heel to the head. He told also that it is just like him from heels to the head. From the we are telling toe to head, from toe to head it is just like me. It is just like me. As I have told you, when the shadow is formed of any object, it will be just like that object, the same of that object. The shadow is connected to him from the heel. They grow towards the head. And he is also excited to see how it is always ahead of him. Yeah, he is very excited to say that he always comes just before, means just come before him. He jumps in the bed before he does. Means whenever he is going to the bed, his shadow reach there before him. He gets excited to see how the shadow is always following him. Yeah, he is very excited at how shadow is following him. But sometimes the shadow is comes ahead of him too. When means sometimes your shadow will be behind, but sometimes your shadow will be ahead of you. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all. Here in this stanza, he tells that the shadow grew faster, unlike the normal kid. Means, you know that our kid, when a baby is born, it grows slowly. Year after year, it grows. Now we also, year after year, we are not growing suddenly in a very 1 day, 2 days. We are taking time. It takes a lot of 1 year, maybe more than that. Yeah, so every year, every day, every month we used to grow, but it is very means it grows faster than a normal kids grow. He is also excited to see how the shadow grows bigger all of the sudden without his knowledge. Yeah, sometimes your shadow will grow very means long without your knowledge. Whenever you are walking in a means when you are walking in afternoon means after 4 or 5 p.m., when you will walk, you will suddenly see that your shadow, which was small a few minutes earlier, it will grow larger after few minutes. So it grows without his knowledge, and he was surprised by how the shadow grows big and small every day. Every day it is getting how it is getting small, it is getting big every day. Means our shadow is when our shadow is longer in a daytime, it is in the morning and in the evening, and when our shadow gets small, the smallest, or even we cannot watch it, it is the afternoon, the noon time, right? So he is very surprised to see that it grows big and small every day, which has not happening to anyone or anything around him. He thinks that it is only happening with him. He thinks that it is only happening with him. An India rubber ball means a ball that comes bounce very well. Means whenever we are throwing a rubber ball, it just bounce back, na? It just bounce back. Means sometimes when means whenever you are walking, means your shadow is formed, or suddenly a light gets disappear, your shadow will also get disappear. Or if you will move the light up and down sidewise, your shadow will always changes. So like that, for sometimes it shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball. Your shadow will be bigger when we are bouncing a ball. It just reach up to the high, na? So like that, the shadow is also getting taller like an Indian rubber ball. One morning, very early, um, one morning, very early, before the sun was up, I rose up and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an iron sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me, was fast asleep in bed. Now, here in this stanza, the boy got up from his bed in the early morning before sunrise, and he woke to beautiful dewy morning where he saw dew shining on every leaf, every flower. The sun was only in the horizon, and there was not much light around him, and he could not see his shadow. He could not see his shadow. After when he thought that the shadow is not there, the first time his shadow was not following him. Means first time he found that shadow is not following him, and he says that his shadow felt lazy and stayed behind at home. Means now he told that his shadow is being very sleepy, very sleepy and lazy. So he stayed just behind at home. While he was enjoying the sunrise, his shadow stayed at his bed. This means that when the boy got in the bed, his shadow went in with him. Means whenever means Like you must see in this picture, when the girl is going onto the bed, the shadow is reaching earlier, the shadow is reaching before her, right? Before her it is reaching to the bed. So he thought that my shadow is still in the bed, and I am I am enjoying the sunrise morning. His shadow does not come along, so he thought like that. And he thought he also thought that his shadow. So it is a poem about a young child who finds pleasure in the company of his own shadow, right? He is amazed to see how his shadow follows his everywhere. His innocent mind thinks that the shadow is alone. To his surprise, the shadow can get taller, smaller, anytime is visible. However, one day when he walks up before the sunrise, he fails to find his shadow right around him. Finding himself alone, he assumes that the shadow must be sleeping because he doesn't understand the science involved in it. Yeah, it is a science now. When the sun is at horizon, we are not able to see our shadow, right? So he does not understand the science behind it. However, what comes in his mind that the shadow is in the bed still sleepy. Okay, so this is all about the poem, and the poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, a famous Scottish novelist and travel writer. It was first published in 1885, and this poem also describes about the excitement of a child who is fascinated by his own shadow. Okay, here are some new words given here. Just go through this, and later on tomorrow we are going to discuss the exercises of this poem. Okay, so have a nice day to all.